Hi everybody, this is Vanessa Gertman from Alpas App. I'm really excited to start this new series with all of you today. Throughout the series, we're going to be building a complete web app with Alpas. In this video, we're not going to be writing any code yet. I just really want to walk you through what's coming up in this series and give you a sneak peek on the app we're going to be building. So, we're going to be building a pretty simple app, but in doing that, you're going to be able to actually get exposure to and use a lot of the core functionality needed for most modern web apps. So here are some of the things we're going to get to learn when we build this app. We're going to be able to use the auth scaffolding. We'll use templating, notifications, mail. We'll get to do some database migrations. You'll get to use some routing, plus a bunch of other things. So I'm hoping this is going to be a really helpful series for everyone. In addition to these screencasts, there's actually a written tutorial that goes along with this. Which you can find. It's on Medium. If you follow Alpas Dev, you'll see the series is included there. And then it's also on dev.to. And the tutorial series is called Let's Build a Web App from Scratch to Finish with Alpas and Kotlin. I'll include these links below so you can check out the written version of this as well. In addition to this, I would also highly recommend checking out the Alpas Slack. It's really active Slack space, and it's filled with a lot of helpful information. You can get help, make feature requests, learn about new features, and just get to know everybody who's starting to learn Alpas right along with you. So I would definitely recommend that. So as I mentioned earlier, we're going to be building a complete app. And in fact, if you want to play with the app and see what it's going to be like, you can actually already do that now. So it's located at fireplace.alpas.dev. You can also find the source code on GitHub, which I'll link below as well. Right now, though, I'm just going to give you a quick tour of this app that we'll be building. You can see that there's links to those written tutorials I mentioned earlier. But basically, so the web app, Fireplace, has a login. And then if you don't have an account, you can register. I already have an account, so I won't show you that today, but it's basically a fully functioning auth system. Okay, so once you're logged in, you can see that the main point of the app is to create projects. So you can create a new project, and I already have a project. A project has a description. You can also have tasks. You can mark them as completed, not completed. You can delete them, and then you can also invite members. So quite a lot of cool things coming up that we'll get to actually build to make our version of Fireplace match this version. In the next video, we'll be creating our repo and actually setting up the project. Thank you all for watching. This was Vanessa Gertman from Alpas App. I'll see you in the next one.